In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking pixel to your Activecampaign email step by step. This process is straightforward and invaluable if you're looking to optimize your email marketing campaigns by monitoring user interactions. We'll walk through each phase to ensure you feel confident in applying these changes yourself. Let's begin. The first step is to head over to the Activecampaign website. If you're not already there, open your web browser and go to the homepage of Activecampaign. This is where your journey into tracking enhancements begins. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the login option. Our next step involves clicking on that login button. This will direct you to the login page where you'll enter your account credentials. Remember to type in your account name correctly to avoid any delays. After entering your account details, go ahead and click that login button once more to access your account. This is crucial because we need to be inside the platform to make the necessary adjustments for adding the tracking pixel. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, your next move is to click on the website option in the top navigation menu. Clicking this will direct you to a more specific section where we can implement site tracking. Next, on the left hand side of the screen, you should see several options. We're interested in site tracking, so make sure to select that. This page is instrumental as it gives us the tools needed to track activity on our email campaigns. Once you've clicked on site tracking, you're likely to see various settings and options. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first glance. We're focusing on one specific action here. Now, the key part of this process involves obtaining the tracking code. Look for the section dedicated to your tracking code. Once you locate it, copy the entire code snippet. It's essential that you copy all of it to ensure functionality. This tracking code is what will allow you to monitor user activity once it's implemented in your email. After copying the code, the next step is to paste it into the footer of your HTML email or wherever your platform allows for custom code insertion. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tracking pixel to your Activecampaign email. This strategic addition will empower you to gather data on how recipients interact with your emails, helping you refine your marketing strategies based on concrete insights. Congratulations on taking this proactive step towards honing your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other guides for more tips and insights into enhancing your marketing campaigns.